qui aime le Congo, ça tu vas mourir. Ah, tu vas mourir.
Welcome to Mama Elise channel. Today menu again a kwadi we coconut, juicy coconut for Cameroon industry. Yes, what they big compound as a top. Michiano. This na saga where it only happen for the past 3 days. They don't leave people they made the dress. See, we get Auntie Dora when a businesswoman and nurse, and then Coco Wanda when a wifey. So wifey post say they say Doroto was for a cafe. Now they spoil marriage out in the chakara because they say wifey catch massa. Massa the cheat with you with Dora. So Auntie post them. So by the lesson that Auntie Dora don't send messages hi day and massa and something. So collect now. To say okay, since you send me the thing them, we'll post them off for social media. It post them for Facebook, say this so for Cafe Bonanjo when Auntie business. Now for them marry the chakara. If you want go me a marry chakara or your master is that chick now for day. So this Auntie Dora no take an easy he no take an easy. He bombarded him message insult and insult. See it is hot. See, it is hot. Say, we for 21st century. No try side chico. If you be wifey, no try side chick. Say, When I stay tuned after my intro video, we go broke the coconut small. So, collect the jury she be the Mrs. Limuna. Yes, now massa that they don't marry. Now it's all both of them they did for their second marriages. Yes. So for July 2015, Colette Ojuri married some businessman for Nigeria. Yeah, they do traditional marriage. People they dance, they throw away bottle, they throw away bottle. Even some people they be say, divorce before marry the other man, blah blah blah. But Natina said now so even Mrs. Limuna. Yes, na Terence woman. Until last now, na the side piece way in the take shit. Una year wait until get to tell una in the fear.
I take on Facebook. I'm here now because I get talk for Facebook about me. Yes. No one can do Lawson, you cannot. Now Dora Lawson, nobody no faith, you cannot. I'm who I am. I do things my way when I want to do it. If you want to say me I be rent free for your head, now you sabi that one. Because I get projects there with me, I try to see whether I can squeeze money off of anyhow. Do my projects. People are dying in Africa, in Cameroon. Put them a village, they don't get you for chop. See me some man here, you go busy, they do blog, they pay how much? For look at tarnish put their image. Don't make them. I will send put them for your come for great support. Not try. Don't go told that your shit will put them for that place. Not try me. I don't tell you. Put them for not advise you. Because she don't go for the Houston. For the trashy girl for the Houston. And she don't quite know why. I don't get it. My crap for you and Nigerians and I cut them. I don't get it. Me not try. Me not over push them. She don't quite because I get a brand, I get a business, I try to protect them. Until this think me 2 days ago. And she don't quite, I know she don't quite, I get to respond. Otherwise, you will ever hear my name. You know, be 41, you be how old? I don't find past you, mommy. I don't fresh past you. They stand me and you, they'll be 23 years old. Shit. They born you when? Motherfucker bitch. That nonsense when I get done for video about my name. You get which money? It's that when? Motherfucker idiot. Sheila talk. You say you get money. Then I say they pass you inside machine. Bring you back to life. You talk. You know me for side. If none of this girl who used to call the talk trash, all lies, sleeping on a LVN, trashy, desperate my woman, they can't make noise. When they pass exam when, I've been a nurse since 2012. I have it going. Sister, no trip. You know it trip with me. You know it. You talk for who? Talk nonsense, all lies. Other get away, they work, I tell you all that in a lie. But that thing move me. Go meta quarter, go to the go ask, and they'll tell you, you know fit. You know fit one. Witchcraft to work at the whole world. Try that thing with me. One more time. They like cops where they just bring it back. Must have go for stock. Oh yeah, then they begin rob them. Come on, Vaseline, they like say no wash. Sing, you never wear, you never rub your skin sings. You claim say you go university. Common pronunciation, it pass you. When you go open up this way, no get follow them. You got to try Roy Mama because you want to take a you want make all you follow what they can for your own, but they ignore you. All of them, they ignore you because they never give their time. So when they were in Houston, are they rent free for your head? Morning time, lunch, breakfast. Why, Mommy Dorothy? They put they love you. The more you talk, the more you progress. You go do it. You want to take what I don't work for? I don't work hard for my life. That nonsense we have only 2 days and so. Don't not trash, you don't mean anything. That's something that. So you go mean for me and say, you can't touch my picking. Try. All that thing and this one are just shit. Idiots. They can make video. The road here on no day. This is another day. You told us some better man. There's some better girl. You go university for science. Then you go university, they don't fuck and suit, trash. There are lost in a hard-working girl. I get it going, girl. You know if you do anything. Bring her, I will hit you hands down. I will hit you hands down. I don't care anything you talk.
This squaddy girl part 1, part 2, part 7. That way this married be start for 2016. See, people they say then too they correct. Terence and Coco Wanda, the entertainment industry, both of them they cheat on their ex. Some people they say they send Coco Wanda for America for vacation. He can remain married. So the auntie need the fear. The auntie go directly for Coco Wanda a picture. One time may move other thing them. So this squaddy they so you get 2 face. Some people they support Auntie Dora, they give, hey, yeah, yes, that girl undone too much. Coco Wanda undone too much. Colette undone too much. Terence undone too much. Some people they do it, they blast the Auntie Dora. Say, una this coconut. Maybe una tell me una own side una dey. Na which clan una dey? Una leave her for comment section. No broke am for comment section.